how to find a way to make my research tangible. I think the whole design thinking process was something which is new to me. So basically the whole idea of analyzing the problem, then having some prototyping, also the whole prototyping thing. I was impressed how easy it is to just make something which is, you call a prototype, and then you just go out and you test it with people. I really like that idea, so I'm probably gonna be using it also, or trying to implement it in my research. Everything is really open and easy and relaxed, and so it's based on the interaction between people. You get to meet people from other fields, so you get to talk about your research to them, and they may not know it from theory, so you need to really break it down in an easy way. That's something you're not used to.